Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to delete your credit card from Instacart. First, open the Instacart website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Account Settings under your name. From the left-hand menu, select Payment Methods. Under Credit or Debit Card, find the card you want to remove. Tap the Delete button next to it, and confirm by tapping Delete again. And that's it! Your card is now removed from your Instacart account. And that's how to delete your credit card from Instacart. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.